I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
The market moves fast, but does your data keep up? With Jax, just Ask Xero, you get real-time global insights right when you need them. Jax goes beyond your books to help you with big business decisions. Want ideas on how to boost cash flow? Just ask. Comparing loan rates across banks, Jax brings in the latest data. Navigating tax changes or market shifts, you'll get real-time insights right alongside your Xero numbers. It's like having a business companion on call 24/7. So you just don't react, you act smarter, faster. For more Xero tips and tricks, visit the X Hacks Hub.